strength of my soul. Working in the mine for a nickel and a dime, and a handful of water and a slice of bread. Down there it haunts me in the shadow and there in the flickering light. I see the devil in disguise, dancing in the dust with his hands in his sides. And above I see the sunshine, it makes me fly like a yellow bird. And above I see the moonlight. 40 years of working in the mine, my lungs with dust and my back worn out. I close my eyes and I try to sleep. I hear the pattern of the devil's feet. And above I see the sunshine, it makes me fly like a yellow bird. And above I see a bright light.